Hi guys, having another look at the helicopter, Lucky Boy helicopter I've identified it as, the brand name. No longer available, but that's what it is. On the top of it, it's got LKB written on it for Lucky Boy, and on the back of here 9953. I was able to identify that on AliExpress as the Lucky Boy 9953 helicopter. Anyway, previous video when we had a first look at it, it was responding in a funny way to the controller. It seems to have a mind of its own, and I'm just trying to work out, I think it's a problem in the controller, and we're going to have a look inside. If I switch it on, I don't know if you can see that, hold it out with the strong sunlight, up, down, we've bound. Now I'm not touching anything and it's doing its own thing. It seems to vary a bit if I wave the controller around, and if I press the controller, yeah, so I think we've got a problem with the controller. So I think we'll have a look inside the controller. Maybe not right now because we're due to be going out for our midday snack. I've had a look online to see if I can identify replacement parts for it. Again, AliExpress seems to be the likely source. At the moment, I've been looking at the blades. They're 15.5 centimeters long, and they look like they've got 2mm diameter holes for the attachment. At the moment, the only blade I can spot is the right length, 15.5mm, but the hole is 3.5mm, which is, you know, double the size. It'd be slopping around terribly. Having said that, I'm probably gonna have to print my own, whatever you want to call the bit that the propeller blade's attached to. So being the wrong size may not matter, because I've got to print my own sized attachment, bracket, whatever. So I'm not sure. I might buy those blades, or I might keep looking. The trouble with AliExpress is you just got to keep hunting. You try various searches and it brings up completely unrelated stuff. You need to know what you're looking for before you try looking for it. So there might be the right size blade on there. I might just have trouble identifying it. Anyway, that's an update for now. Yeah, you really don't want to be trying to control a helicopter when just squeezing the box makes it run. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.